Here we will discuss about some examples of double jeopardy in law. Just watching the double jeopardy bring me back to the early 90s when a movie with the same name was released. There is a sinister side to lies, though, and even though she is acquitted of the murder, once new evidence against her surfaces, she cannot be retried for the murder because of double jeopardy. So, what is double jeopardy and what are some examples of double jeopardy in law? There is a clause in the United States Constitution's Fifth Amendment called the Double Jeopardy Clause. This statement that no person shall be subject for the same offence to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, meaning they cannot be prosecuted for the same claim twice. For example, let's say a man was tried for breaking or entering a establishment by a jury of his peers and is found no guilty. Later on, new evidence surfaces that makes the same man appear guilty of the offense. Double jeopardy protects him from being tried again because he cannot be tried twice for the same claims. If he had a accomplice, the accomplice could go to trial, but the original defendant was already acquitted of the crime and cannot be tried again. In 1995, former running back for the USC Trojans and NFL player was indicted and tried for the murders of his wife and her friend Ronaldo Goldman. Both Nicole and Ronald was found stabbed to death, and Simpson was the primary subject. However, the world was stunned when the jury found him not guilty despite a lot of compelling advices. With Simpson's history of being a wife abuser, the mounting evidence that was available during the investigation, and the release of his book outlining a confession, everything points to Simpson as the murderer, but because of double jeopardy, he can never be tried in claim court again. However, he could be and was tried in a civil case where he was sued by the families of the victims of their wrongful death.